Hi there. One of the most important things about facilitating a Global Online Academy professional development course is to make sure that your participants are actively participating in the course every day. These courses move quick, and although work can be done asynchronously and is expected to be, if people aren't logging on every single day and working a little bit, they'll get behind. And once you get behind in one of these courses, it definitely creates some problems with the work. So as a facilitator, you need to have a way to look at and check on that people are participating, and I'm going to show you how to do that. To check on whether or not participants are participating in your course, you need to check the course statistics daily. This is really important in the first 24 hours. Here is where you check your course statistics. You go to this button on the top right-hand side that says Manage Class, click on it, scroll down to Statistics, and what will pop up is it will show you who has logged into the course, how many times they've been there, what lessons they've looked at. But really, most importantly, is it just gives you as a facilitator an overview of which participants are logging on and gives you a way to look at, how often they're logging on and what they're doing. What's most important about the course statistics is that you check it especially within the first 24 hours of the course. If you see that participants have not logged on, you need to email them and you need to call them. It is your responsibility to get them engaged. Our research and the research on Good Online Learning shows that if somebody doesn't engage within the first 24 hours, they're going to be less successful in the course. So really, it saves you time on the back end having to chase people around and get them into the course or make special accommodations for them if you go ahead and get a hold of them after that first day if they haven't gotten engaged in the course. The other recommendation that I have, that's a pretty strong recommendation, is that you check it daily, because what you'll see is probably for the first 4 or 5 days, you're going to have these people that are logging in and doing exactly what they're supposed to be doing, and then some might start to drift off and disappear. I usually give somebody about 24, maybe 48 hours if I know that there's something going on before I will reach out to them. And what I've personally found is we are so dependent on email because it's so easy just to shoot an email off and just be like, okay, good, I contacted them. But that really, in these instances, doesn't work, because if they're not engaging in the online environment, sending somebody an email that they have to check when they're online generally doesn't work. So I pick up the phone if I don't see people, and I call them and I just say, hey, what's going on? What can I do to help you get into the course more? Do you have any questions? And I noticed you haven't been in the course in a couple of days. I wanted to make sure you were going to be ready for that next upcoming assignment, or whatever it is. But I just find that sometimes in this day of all this digital and technology, it's better to pick up the phone.